Welcome to Fogo Fungi, where freshness and sustainability meet to bring you premium local mushrooms. This Chinese New Year, let's celebrate local produce with a simple and delicious local mushroom dish. Let's now talk to the founder of Fogo Fungi to find out how mushrooms are grown and harvested over here. Let's go!
Hey guys, I'm Ryan Ong, founder of Fogo Fungi, and we are Singapore's largest indoor mushroom farm growing a wide variety of gourmet mushrooms. So I had no background in F&B or in farming.
Okay.
In early 2022, after the pandemic, I watched a YouTube video about mushrooms and I was just so fascinated by the different colors, flavors, purposes of using mushrooms for. Yeah, the government was talking a lot about the importance of local food security, so I kind of saw an opportunity for me to contribute to Singapore's food security. A large farm like this allows us to produce higher quality, better consistency for hotels and restaurants and the clients that we serve. So mushroom growing is actually really simple. It starts off in the lab, that's where we cultivate the mycelium and the spores of the mushrooms. We then transfer the mycelium onto a wood-based substrate, and that gives the mushroom its source of energy, its food source to allow it to grow. At the next stage, we bring it into our fruiting areas, our grow rooms, and that's where, under the right conditions of high humidity, colder temperatures, the mushrooms start to grow really quickly. Each of these grow tents actually create a microenvironment where mushrooms thrive in. There are a few factors that help to encourage the mushrooms to form. A few of it includes high humidity, lots of fresh air, a little bit of lighting, and colder temperatures. You want to check out one of our tents where we have some pink oyster mushrooms growing?
Yes. Oh my god. And you call these the...
These are called the pink oyster mushrooms.
Pink oyster mushrooms.
Yeah, don't they look beautiful? They actually taste like bacon.
Okay. I think I would like to try this. Can I?
Yes, I can't wait for you to cook it.
Alright, let's take this over now. This is Fogo Fungi's Gourmet Mushroom Prosperity Box. This is specially created for the Chinese New Year period. This is going at $88 and you get a variety of freshly harvested mushrooms delivered right to your doorsteps. I'll be doing a dish using 3 different mushrooms from this box and to show you how you can cook a very simple yet delicious dish at home. I'll be doing a very simple pan-seared mushrooms to show you how you can cook mushrooms at home. Add some oil, and once it's smoking, you can put all the mushrooms in. After you put the mushrooms in, spread it out. Just let it sit. We want to get very nice sear on the mushroom. Do not add any water because the mushrooms itself has a lot of moisture. Just let the moisture slowly get cooked out. For me, this is about done here. Let me add a bit of seasoning, add a bit of salt, a bit of pepper. I like to sprinkle it with a bit of my favorite soya sauce. Here's a very simple stir-fried mushrooms.
Wow, it really smells so good, chef. I can't wait to try.
Cheers!
Cheers.
The mushroom flavors really is very nice.
I think what a lot of Singaporeans do not know is that there are plenty of local farms growing great produce, not just mushrooms but vegetables and fishes as well.
Yeah.
And we need great chefs as well and the consumers to support us.
So I'm Chef Joel from Enjoy Eating Out Sembang. We're very proud to have attained the highest tier recognition for this farm to table program by the Singapore food industry. In short, it simply means that we are doing our very best and doing our part to support local farmers. For this Chinese New Year, go online now to www.fogofungi.com and place your order for local premium mushrooms now.
Support local!